Wow.
Sao đi chơi tôi cô phụ大家睇睇側田ơi有你，等一陣先啊，唔夠光。好啦，喂，終於夠光啦喂，OK。見了嗎？ไม่見หรอ？就罷了喂，先飽翻毛。係啦，因為尋日需要休息，所以我哋諗到不如延遲一日先至同大家開 live 啦，因為已經講明咗要同大家開 live 遲一日咗啫啦 ，OK。所以今日如果你哋知道有睇到呢個字咧，就知道我同大家講啲咩嘢咧，係啦。今日咧就係同大家分享一個animate 嘅知識格端咁解啦 ，OK。所以如果你哋有啲咩問題想問關於今日嘅呢個今日嘅主題，你哋可以留低你嘅口述話俾我聽 ，OK？ 因為最近啲天氣咧真係爭太遠咗，有時咧就好熱，咁有時咧就會好凍，因為落大水啊嘛。因為今日咧我就試咗嗰個weather 個 app。咁咧佢都有 forecast 話幾點有落水，足之都我覺得唔係好準啦，冇所謂啦，因為都係想試下嘅啫。俾大家1分鐘嘅時間之後可以開始啦，6:07 ，OK？ 係啦，係咯，今日其實時間都過得好快啦，仲有一個禮拜就10月噶啦噃，係啦。今日咧主要都係一個cartoon review 咁樣啦 ，animated series 嘅一個 review， 好短嘅啫，所以同大家即是介紹下我以前所除咗 Sailor Moon 之餘咧，仲有其他嗰啲cartoon我都有睇過嘅，咁我就喺度同大家分享咁啦。好啦，可以同大家講啦，所以今日咧我同大家講嘅咧呢個 animation 咧就係我前幾日 post 嗰個 reboot 啦。所以呢個 reboot 咧，其實係一個加拿大製作嘅一個動畫 ，OK。佢嘅播映時間咧係1994年到2001年。咁呢一個咧係佢哋嘅創舉，即係講頭一部嘅呢個動畫咧係用 CGI 嚟做嘅喎，犀利啦 ，OK。咁呢一個 cartoon 嘅呢個類型咧就係即係 sci-fi 同埋 action。一齊嘅係咁啦，咁佢總共有4個 season 啦。所以其實當初我睇嘅時候，我就覺得哇，做咩呢個咁得意嘅？做咩呢個人？做咩嗰個女仔冬菇頭嘅？做咩佢嘅面係青色嘅？做咩嗰個細路哥嘅面係青色嘅？做咩嗰個男人嘅頭髮咁樣嘅？I mean OK 啦，唔係話冇見過啦，不只都係會覺得好奇嘅，頭髮攣攣地咁樣，然之後個面。藍色嘅又係藍色，埋藍色啦。之前講佢係 dark blue， 你嗰個女主角同埋嗰個細路仔咧就係青色嘅。所以當初我睇嘅時候，其實我又冇揀㗎啦，可以咁講，我冇揀嘅，所以咪直頭睇咯。點知一睇第一集就又上咗嚟，所有睇咗成幾集嚟咁樣啦。所以我覺得呢個又係值得去推介，因為我諗到，因為呢個係關於電腦嘅嘢。關於 cybercrime 嘅嘢，所以如果你哋想多啲了解關於 cybercrime 嘅嘢咧，你哋可以睇呢個格端，因為佢入邊咧會同我哋講關於呢個 cybercrime 嘅嘢，邊個係個 mainframe system， 邊個控制呢個電腦嘅嘢，所以呢一套格端係有同大家講解。雖然咧我初睇呢個格端嘅時候，我又覺得有少少唔係幾可以接受，因為佢嘅男主角有少少騎呢，然之後佢啲妖怪有少少騎呢，所以我就我嗰時候我真係需要少少時間去接受呢幾個主角嘅 ，you know， 因為我哋平時睇到嘅個人嘅皮膚係好似 beige colour 啊或者咩，我覺得青色同埋藍色，我覺得呢個係咪 alien 嚟嘅？白蘇花係個水咧係 OK 嘅，所以值得推介俾大家睇 ，OK。 所以今日咧同大家分享嘅咧就係咁多啦，所以我轉頭噶啦噃。So today actually if you guys saw my posting actually I will be doing a cartoon review that I watched when I was small, okay? I still remember this cartoon aired on Metrovision. I think it's after Sailor Moon, yes. So after like quite some time, then only they air this cartoon, okay? So I will give you guys a brief introduction of this cartoon, okay? This cartoon is called Reboot, okay? And it's a Canadian animated cartoon, and it was aired on 1994 to 2001, and it was the first CGI series for cartoon, okay? And the genre for this cartoon is actually sci-fi and action. So it contains 4 seasons. So it's actually this cartoon, right? What was my first impression on it is like I was like, huh? The guy over there, the skin tone, I mean the color of his skin is like dark blue, and then the lady over there is green color, and the guy, the little guy over there is green color as well. So it's so when I was more actually when I watched for the first time I was still okay, but after that I was like, it's kind of weird because it looks like human but it's not human, because usually human, right, actually we have beige color of skin, right, but theirs one is green color and dark blue. So I was like, so in my mind at that time actually I was thinking, is it an alien? Is he an alien? I was like, yeah, okay. That was my first impression towards this cartoon. I mean, this cartoon is really good because it talks about cybercrime, because it's about sci-fi, right? Because you can't really find a computer or CGI animated series regarding on cybercrime or whatever. This is the first one that I saw from TV. So it was a good cartoon, okay? It was a good series. So I really recommend you guys, if you would like to know about cybercrime at that time, you may look at it at YouTube. Actually, someone did upload at YouTube, so you may look for it. Okay, I think that's all I would like to share for my cartoon review for Reboot. Okay, so if you like this cartoon series as well, which is Reboot, you may leave down a comment below and let me know which part or which scene that makes you really like unforgettable, and let me know. Okay, I think that's all I would like to share for today's sharing. So next week I'll take an off. Okay, so I'll be having an off next week, so I'll be seeing you guys 1 week after that. Okay, so 下個禮拜我會請假一日， so 再多個禮拜我就會見大家㗎啦。OK， so 唔好掛住我啊。OK， so 如果你哋對於呢一個cartoon有啲咩深刻印象，你哋可以留低你嘅口述我俾我聽。OK， 咁我哋再多個禮拜再見㗎啦噃。ขอบคุณมากครับ，เจอกันแล้วทุกคน